130.
Well, how did you do it?
130?
Yeah.
Is that 130?
That is so
Yeah, you go.
I would never have done.
Yeah.
Well, her last name is.
He used to do this. When you first met her, it might have been
Yeah.
like that. Now it's Florida.
That's right.
Because that's Hyra Belcher. You know she's married to Hyra?
Oh, I didn't know that.